Everyone's asking me how to install XVM on a daily basis. I thought I'd just do a video. It's so simple with mine, it's just copy and paste. If you've never used XVM before, you'll need to install Dokkan Library. I'll have the link in the description. It's also on the forums. It's on the XVM website. It's needed. If you don't get no stats or whatever, it's because you don't have Dokkan installed. You also need stat.exe 1.5 and the config for it, and then make a new shortcut to your desktop, and you will start World of Tanks with it. The most common issue for people not having stats in game is because they're using the World of Tanks icon and they're not using the stat.exe. If you don't want stats and you just want all the features of XVM, use your World of Tanks icon. If you want your stats, chance to win and all that, use the XVM icon. So you downloaded my mod. It's all there. You got folders, XVM, install notes, README, and 0.86, the fonts to install, and then other mods you can install. You're going to copy every single one of them folders, go to your C drive where your game folder is, go into World of Tanks. You're going to see Res Mods. Paste everything into Res Mods. Once you paste everything in there, you'll have them all listed just like my folder layout right now. All your XVM files and configs are in here. Default is Roughnecks horizontal, so if I tell you to edit something, it's the horizontal health bars. If you're using vertical bars, it'll be that folder. To set what config you want to use, you open this in Notepad, xvm.exe. When you open it, it'll look like this. Backslashes turns off the config. As you can tell, I got horizontals shut off. I use vertical, so it's turned on. If you want to turn on vertical, take the backslashes out, put a backslash in for horizontal. Save it, you're done. All your configs are in here, so we'll go into vertical. Everything is in here. From your hit log to moving it left and right. Your hotkeys for your mini-map in the center, you can set the keys in there. Your battle loading. Some people are having backwards icons in game. So you want to open it up. Make sure mirrored vehicle icons is set to false. If you don't want to use the icons in game, set this to true. Use standard markers. You want to set that to true. So once you got everything pasted in there, you can install what mods you want out of the other mods. These are other ones. Just follow the same folder structure that's in them. They'll tell you pretty much where they go. You open them up, there's Res Mods, 8.6, GUI, Flash. So you'll copy both them folders or extract them. 8.6, GUI, Flash, you paste them into there. You'll have two damage panels and it'll replace them. You just want to delete this one, and if you're going to go with a different one. That's it. It's just copy and paste. Make your new stat.exe, as I'll show you. It's right here. It's in my main World of Tanks folder. Make a new shortcut. Start the game with that. XVM log, if you have errors, please send that in. It'll look like this. That way I can read it. I can tell if you're using the newest version. I can tell you what config you're loading. I can help you. And it'll give off errors in here. Normally after this line right through here, it'll start giving errors if you got stuff that ain't loading up right. Thanks for using, and I hope this helps.